Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a Trunk Club unboxing and try on. I'm pretty sure y'all are familiar with Trunk Club at this point. I've done several videos, so if you're interested, I'll leave a direct link to sign up to Trunk Club in the description box down below. I'll also leave direct links to each piece that I received. That way, if you want to buy something, you can and you don't have to sign up for the box. Also down there, my measurements to give you an idea of the sizes that fit me and kind of base that on what you think you need. All right, as per usual, we have 13 items in this box. It's usually either 12 or 13. Carson is still my stylist, has been the entire time that I've done Trunk Club, and she always sends at least 2 or 3 things that I love. So first thing we are going to talk about is this black and white striped top. This is from the brand Halogen. It's in a size 2X. It's meant to be a little bit snug, but y'all know I don't really like things that cling and all that. I do like the idea of it. I love the black and white stripes. I love the long sleeve. It's such a soft material and it's long enough. So all of those things make me love it. The more that I actually wore this, pairing it with different items and trying different things, I actually really loved it as just one of those pieces that seems to go with everything. I mean, you could wear it with denim, you could wear it with a dress jacket. I mean, there's so many different things that you could wear this with. So yeah, the longer I had it on, the more that I really liked it. Now let's move on to this jacket. It's the brand Gibson in a size, it doesn't say on here. All right, so it is this black dress jacket that doesn't have a collar on it. It's this black and white pinstripe on the inside. I rolled the sleeves because this was so pretty on the inside. I felt like it just looked better with those sleeves rolled. I also kind of have weirdly long arms, so most things are short on me. So if I were to unroll this and wear it like this, it would be too short. All right, so this fit pretty well. It was a little bit snug if I tried to button it, but I didn't hate it. I like these kinds of jackets more for date night versus for the office. Now let's talk about this long cardigan. This is from the brand Leith, L-E-I-T-H, in a size 2X. Okay, so initially Carson was going to send this to me in a tan, but I already own a tan one that I got from Walmart for $3 years ago, and I wear it a lot of times when it's cooler outside. So when I saw that they had this blush option, I thought that this could be really pretty to wear how I wear that tan one, with those types of outfits and stuff. Also, because it is a color, I feel like you could make it a little bit more casual, wear it with a cute crew neck tee and a pair of jeans and some white sneakers or something. This next sweater, y'all, is the softest material I've ever felt in my life. By far, it's literally like butter. It is the soft, I mean, I know I keep saying that, but it is so soft. It's the Castellan brand in a size 2X. Let's see if I can find what kind of fabric this is. It says it's 80% nylon, 20% cotton. All right, it's a super deep V-neck in the front and the back. And it has this inside out type look to it. You can kind of see the hem right there. So this I would have absolutely loved had it been a big, oversized, cozy sweater. I mean, it fits fine. It fits fitted. It's the right size. I know that's how it's supposed to look. But just this material, if this was big, oversized, I would keep it. All right, next one we have is this beautiful mustard yellow color. This is from the brand Vince Camuto in a size 2X. I have a couple of Vince Camuto tops that I've kept from Trunk Club. They are pricey, but their quality is really good. I like the tie on the side. I like that this has a little bit of a slit to open up. These types of tops are perfect for me for work because they're so breathable and they're flowy and they're just nice. They don't rip, you don't get pilling on them. They're just nice. All right, last top, I promise. We have an Eloquii Premier in a size 18, and this is just a white button-up shirt. Nothing fancy about it. It's definitely a women's fit because it's very like this. What am I trying to say? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you'll see it on me. It's a little bit snug in the bust. So I would need a size up, I believe. But I do appreciate this like crisp white shirt. It's also not see-through, which is very hard to find in tops like this. And with all of those tops, I paired these slink, curvy, bootcut jeans in a size 2X. They do have some distressing on them. Now, before you think they look silly, they're meant to be short. Like the model on the app has them on and they're short. So it's a little bit weird for me because I feel like they look too short, but then clearly they're meant to be that short. These fit amazing. They're high-waisted. They're the perfect fit. They're like, feel like I could like stretch in them and move around in them. Like I don't feel like anything is wrong with them other than the fact that they're short. And I know they're meant to be that way, but I just felt a little bit silly in them. You know what I mean? Like had they been the proper length, like longer, like where I would feel comfortable in them, then I would keep them 100% because I love the look of them. I just think on me, the short boot cut looks a little strange. So the next thing I have are denim overalls. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know how excited I was when I saw that Carson threw these in because these weren't initially in my box. And so when I saw the preview, I got really excited. All right, the brand is City Chic. They're in a size 20, and they're just these like distressed, like boyfriend type denim overalls. It's easier to see them on me versus me try to hold them up. Okay, I don't remember the last time that I bought, oh, I do remember. Let's take it back. I was probably in like 6th grade. My friend Christina had a pair. And I wanted a pair. So my mom took me to like the limited 2 for kids to pick out a pair, and I loved them. So that's probably the last time that I've ever worn like overalls. So these, I appreciate them. They actually looked pretty good. I paired them with that black and white striped long sleeve top just for purposes of this video, and I thought that it actually looked really cute together. It could be a really nice like fall outfit. I have a pair of shoes as well that I'll show you next that I paired with that outfit, and it ended up looking really cute. However, I did have to unbutton. So on the side of the overalls, there's these 3 buttons. I had to unbutton this top one because they were just a little bit too snug, like around my lower stomach, like hip area, but they weren't too snug where I was uncomfortable. I thought they were kind of cute. I don't know. Do I look silly? Do I look like I shouldn't be wearing overalls, or do they look cute? Help me. So these are the shoes that I paired with the outfit. They're Converse. I've never owned a pair of Converse. I've tried them on a couple of times at like TJ Maxx and stuff, but I've never purchased any. If I were to ever buy a pair of these or keep them, I would want white. I've never been able to find white in my size at like TJ Maxx. I know they sell them at like shoe stores, like Shoe Station and stuff in town, but I've never tried them on there. I've only ever like thought I wanted them at a TJ Maxx for some reason. All right, these are in a size 9.5, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 9.5. They fit perfect. They're actually really, really comfortable. I don't know how they look on me, like if this is me, because I did just keep a pair of those all-white slip-on Vans, and I haven't worn them yet. So do I need another pair? Like, this is a different look than the Vans. Like, this, or the Vans would be cute with the overalls, too. This next set is pajamas. It's this, like, really pretty, like, pink leopard print. It's long sleeve. The pants are joggers with pockets. They're in a size 2X. The brand is BP. Okay, so funny enough, I put a bunch of stuff in my wish list for the Nordstrom Rack like anniversary sale, and when it came time for the public to be able to purchase, because I don't have a Nordstrom credit card, they were sold out and I couldn't get them. This was the exact set that I had put in my cart, and I am so happy to get these. These are the softest like material pajamas. They're so comfortable. They'll be perfect for like cooler months. Obviously, as I'm talking, you can probably tell that I'm going to keep them. This is just, I love it. I'm so happy that Carson sent me these. They're 39 bucks a piece, so say 40, about 80 bucks for this pajama set. So I really have to like it to spend that money, and I'm spending it because I love it. So I have 2 more things in my cart. The next thing, I opted to go ahead and get this because I've seen so many people wear them and they look so cute wearing them. It's just this like navy and white like knotted headband. I don't know what it looks like on me yet, so we're going to put it on together and we're going to see how it looks. I mean, what do we think? Am I wearing it right, or am I supposed to push all my hair back? Let's see. Let's see if I can get it done correctly. Like this? Or do you kind of fix your hair how you want it, and then this just kind of slides on top? That looks cuter. I think that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, I would probably wear this while I was like getting ready to like hold my hair back, but I don't know if I would actually wear it. My sister would probably love it, honestly, and she has a birthday coming up. And the very last thing in my box I added as an extra at the very end is this Wake Hole strapless bra. I got this exact bra in Stitch Fix months ago and ended up not keeping it, and I should have because it fits so well. This one is in a size 38 double D. While it fits, I think I would be more comfortable with a 40. I mean, I could get away with this, but I don't know how long I would be able to wear it. So I may see if Carson can switch this out for me. It is pricey, so maybe not. Maybe I need to try those Torrid ones before I spend, because this one's like 68 bucks. How much are those Torrid ones that y'all tell me about? I need to go online and see, because if those are like 40 or 50, then I might as well try those before I spend the 68 on this, you know? So now that you have seen everything, let me know in the comment section down below what you liked, what you didn't like. As I mentioned in the beginning, links to all of this stuff will be in the description box down below. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.